Hello, morning. Today we are going to solve a problem that has been asked in interview. So the problem says you are given a three sorted arrays. Okay, you have to find the common elements, right? So what it says you have array one, array two, array three. So which all elements are common in all the array, right? So for example, here we have a three, right? Three are into the list, right? Then we have a four. Four is present. Yeah, four is present. Then we look for the five. Five is not present in there. So these are not the common elements. So basically, we have to find the common elements. So here I asked many like if there is any duplicate value will be there. Yeah, so the duplicate value will be there, and negative value we will consider only positive value for time being. So how what will be the your brute force approach that you so first solution I think which comes in my mind, I'll just put this value into hash map. After putting the value into the hash map, I'll iterate from the array 2 and array 3. I'll check whether these elements are present or not. And if both I'll see a situations when both the elements are equal or not. If both the elements are equal and that element is present in the array, in basically in the not array in the hash map, so we can add into the list. So all the elements are common in that particular elements are common in all the array. Okay. So but here we are using extra space that's has been for the lookups. Another approach I can think of, if I try to without using extra space, I can have I can have a pointer. Let's say we can have a pointer one here as the pointer. I'll take another pointer that is basically a z, okay, and I'll have another pointer, basically the k, okay. So in this case, if I'll check if all elements are equal, okay, for the ith position, jth position, and kth position, if all elements are equal, then we'll just basically increase all the pointer, right? Let's say if none of them elements are equal, so we have to find the minimum of all the elements, and we can let's say for in this case the minimum of all this one, two, three. So I'll just increase only I value, the minimum of all. Then again I'll do the check for the two, two, two. So again I'll iterate for what the index that's our minimum. That is, let's say for here two and two is there. Then we'll basically move three. Then again, the no conditions. Two is the smaller, and then this will be increasing. Now here we can see that all the elements are equal. So yeah, we can use that. Yeah. So of course, three pointers we can use. So three pointers, if we use the three pointers, the space complexity here will be constant space, and the time complexity we are iterating n1 n2 and n3. The time complexity will be n1 plus n2 plus n3. I think this is the better approach that we can try off. So let's, yeah, right, first we'll write the algorithm, okay, because when we are preparing for the big tech companies there will be a big problem. So we start practicing from now, writing first algorithm, then just move into the first discussing the problem, then the what are the input cases that we have to discuss. Then we'll discuss about the brute force approach. Then we'll discuss about the optimized version. Then we'll write the algorithm and based on the algorithm. And at the end, we'll give only for 5 minutes or 4 minutes for writing the code, and it becomes easier. I have given so many big tech interviews. So yeah, I faced the same situations there. Yeah, so we'll start from the basic. No issue. We are revising. We are just practicing. We'll improve as we go further. Yes. Okay. So let's do what was. I'll take a three pointers. Okay, three pointers will be there. Situation case will be first case. Our first case will be. Um, First case will be. Uh, Basically, first case, what will be the first case? Oh, sorry. I was getting a call from the VRV. Okay, let's ignore right now. Um, Again, damn it. So yeah, if all elements are equal, we increment, just increment all the if all elements are equal, increment all the pointers, right? Okay, and note down the list, right? Case 2 will have a situation like if all elements are if not equal, then in this case we find the min of find the min element from which array, and will increase the pointer, right? Will increase that pointers, right? So yeah, let's start writing, and at the end we return the list. Yeah, right. So yeah, let's start. So we have to find common elements. Common elements basically we have entire one, then we have an entire two, then we have entire three. Find common elements. Okay. So basically, I'll take a three pointer that is equal to zero, j is zero, and then I'll take a k equal to zero, right? So I've taken the three pointers. Now I have to store some value, store in where. So I'll take a list as an int list. We have to uh, new uh, array list. Then I have to basically check the case. Basically, I have to check the case, uh, and the situation will be when I is less than array one dot length, right? And this should be for all the combinations, because if any of the length will increase, so we don't need to check further, right? Two dot k is less than array one dot length, array two dot length, array k, array three dot length. Okay, so now I have to check if array I is equal to array uh, j and array j array k, if both are equal, right? If both in this case will increase the I pointer, will increase the j pointer, then will increase the k pointer, right? So after increasing, and there will be another situations when this condition doesn't follow, right? There will be one concern, there will be a different condition. So in this case, I have to increase what? If let's say basically I need to find if let's say I have to find the min value, we can say from the math dot min array I, basically math dot min j array k. Okay, so let's say if now I have to check whether the which one is the min value, right? So for that, if let's say if min value we have it's array I, okay, right? So I'll just increase the I pointer, okay? The similarly, if I'll check for the if the min value is equal to array of j, right? So the pointer that I'll need to increase the j pointer. If I'll have min value that is equal to array of k, then I'll increase the k pointer, right? Just as we have discussed earlier. So this is the case that we have discussed earlier. Okay. Now the key pointer increase, so the loop it will go inside the loop and we'll see. Okay. Now where we are collecting this information. Okay, so this is equals. Then I have to basically add into the result that I will basically add this into the list. Okay. Because this is not a good compiler. Okay, I'll change into the finding the correct bracket. It'll take a time, right? So yeah, it will be the return. Basically, I'll return the list. So yeah, this is the solutions, but I'll try to run it so that it will be easy for everybody to like. So how I need to define the array, right? To define the array, okay, let me copy array from some different. Uh, the copy is this. Let's say if I'll remove the option, I'll just start with this one. So I have a list of integer, integer that is basically the result. Here we are calling this find common elements. That is array one, array two, array three, right? And we just print the system dot print, then just print the list. So this should work. I'll just copy this one method here. We have one bracket. This is this. This will return the list of integers. Integer. Okay. This is the list of integer that we have. Right. List of integer. Let me try to run. See, we can have. Hmm. Oh my God, there are lots of errors. First error cannot find a symbol. Okay. Then we have a find common element non-static method. Okay, that will be the public static, and this we don't have. Let's try to import this one. Import Java dot util star. Okay, anything integer. Wow, when you don't practice now, these things happen. So we have to practice regularly. Oh, now again, lots of oh, one array that's created lots of confusion, right? This will be the array three. This is the array one, array two. Again, here array one. This is the no issue. We'll keep on learning, right? One, two, and three. One, this is added two, added two, added three, added three, added two. I hope this time should work. Please, finger crossed. Oh, at least one. Cannot find a symbol. Okay, that's the result basically. Ta-da! Yeah, right. Boom. Now 3, 4. Let's try another output. We have included 5 here also. So the result should be 3, 4, 5. Right? Yeah, we'll just 3, 4, 5. Let's say, okay, now we'll see, we'll just summarize what we did. We haven't taken extra spaces, we're just taking space for the storing the result. We are just simply we have a three pointers are there. We just check the cases when all the elements are equal. Array one, array two is equal, array two and three equal. So we just add that value into the list, result list. Then we have increase the pointer, all three pointers. Other than that cases, find the min value. Whoever the whose array will be the minimum will increase that pointer. Okay, so that cases I checked here, and we return the list, and we just find the print. So yeah, so this will be the like I'm going to the n1 plus n2 plus n3. So the complexity here is like yeah, n1 plus n2 n plus. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you, thank you.